What's going on, guys? Back here with another quick unboxing and review. What we got here today is a smart water shut off valve. You can control it with your app using the app Luminary right here. But let's see what's inside the box. Sent over to me by a seller in Amazon. Link in the description down below. First off, we got Manuel. I don't need Manuel. What is this little thingy? It's a dongle. I'm pretty sure it's for when if you're not around, then you can control it with that instead of your phone. But slidable valve on one side, the other one is solid. On/off button, and it uses batteries. Apparently, I thought it was going to be rechargeable or something. But anyways, batteries. You can see the seal on the tab, so it's waterproof. Obviously, it has to. You got your Teflon tape right here for your valve. And an adapter for a different size of fitting, so I'm not sure I'm gonna use that. I'm just gonna use the regular size hose. Anyways, download the app to use it, to control it, to set days and schedules. I believe you could do that. I'm using rechargeable batteries. I like to use those ones, not regular disposable ones, but your preference is your choice. Anyways, one button on and off. I don't think you press it, and it looks like it detects it right away. Anyways, with the app, it pops right there immediately. Just say yes, blah blah blah, and join, and just like that, you're done. So nothing complicated. You just download the app, add the thingy, and like I said, it gives you watering time. So you could give it a time limit. You could set your days that you wanna water, so you could do that with that too. So I'm gonna show you right here. The dongle is just, again, it's just like you plug it in and then it'll act with, so you don't have to use a phone. You can turn it on and off with the dongle. But I'm gonna use this little sprinkler thingy as an example as well. Anyways, this is off. Press play, and then you see the water moving. That means it's on, and then it activates. And then pause, that'll stop it. But like I said, you can set your schedule for days when you want it to come on and off. So yeah, anyways, make sure to check them out. Link in the description down below. Like and subscribe for more how-to and tech videos.